Welcome back to YouTube SEO Unboxed, where there's no fluff, no BS, and just what actually works. So let's talk about YouTube tags in 2026, because honestly, most people are still doing this completely wrong. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that tags are not dead, but they're not what they used to be. Back in the day, you could just spam 30 random keywords, repeat your title 5 times, throw in some trending stuff, and boom, all of a sudden, you've got views, but that doesn't actually work anymore, okay? In 2026, YouTube's algorithm is actually heavily driven by AI context understanding, something I mention a lot. It reads your title, your thumbnail performance, your transcript, your retention, and of course, it's reading your tags. But tags are now more of a supporting signal and not necessarily the main driver anymore. Think of them like a backup data for the algorithm, if you will. Okay, but they can help YouTube. They can help understand niche context, clarify confusing words, categorize your video properly, especially if your video topic is new, maybe it's trending or slightly ambiguous even. So yeah, tags, they do still matter, but only if you use them properly. And now, here's what actually works in 2026. You want to focus on relevance, not volume. Don't just go after the biggest keywords, go after specific intent-based tags. For example, instead of just YouTube SEO, you want things like YouTube SEO Tips 2026, How to Rank Using YouTube SEO Fast 2026, YouTube Tag Strategy 2026. Things like this, they are actually called long-tail tags, and they match how people are actually searching. And here's the key. YouTube's AI is looking for consistency across everything, okay? If your title says one thing, your video says another, and then your tags are all over the place, you're pretty much done. Your tags should reinforce the topic, not confuse it. Now you might be thinking, okay, cool, but what kind of things do I need to avoid? Well, the biggest one is irrelevant tags. If your video is about YouTube SEO and you're trying to tag things like Mr. Beast or viral video, funny clip, hoping that you might get lucky, you're killing your video before it even starts. It reminds me of Instagram back in the day. The algorithm sees that mismatch instantly and it basically goes, no. Another mistake is tag stuffing. You don't need 50 tags anymore. In fact, in 2026, most high-performing videos are actually using maybe 10 to 20 highly targeted tags. They're clean, they're focused, and they're intent-driven. And also, stop repeating the same keywords slightly differently 10 times. YouTube understands variations now. It's no longer 2015. But here's something that most people don't actually realize. Tags are especially powerful for things like misspelling, alternate phrases, niche variations. So if people might search your topic in different ways, that's where tags give you an edge. And the final thing that I'll tell you here, and this one is really important, tags, they're not going to save your bad video. It sounds silly, but it's true. If your retention is terrible, people click off in, say, the first 10 seconds, then no amount of tags or perfect titles or anything is actually going to fix that. Tags are going to help YouTube understand your video, but your content performance decides if it's actually going to rank. So yeah, use tags, but use them smartly. Keep them relevant, support your topic, and just stop trying to game the system. It's 2026. The system is way smarter than you or me. And that's pretty much it. Welcome to YouTube SEO Unboxed.